Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So with Solana, I think in yesterday's video we talked about the ideal retracement level from the wave 3 into the wave 4. And let's see where we did get to. Just need to move all of this across. I don't think wave 4 is over yet. Well, it might be nearly over. And I think there is further upside potential short term, but it really depends on one important or two important conditions we're going to talk about in this video. Generally with Solana, I cannot yet say, I'm still far away, quite far away from saying that a reliable bottom is in place. Yeah, I just purely haven't seen the evidence for that yet. We could say that, yeah, you know, we are on our way here in an impulse to the upside and that a low might have been in. But really, if you look at this, we only really have 3 waves to the upside. We don't have 5 yet. And that is always something to watch out for. I told you in previous videos that the 50-day moving average will probably provide here resistance, which it does. And I also told you that really until we get above at least 34.50, we don't need to entertain really too much the idea that something more substantial is happening here. Can do, of course it can do, when we came down to key support, but there's no evidence yet. Yeah, and we can all make guesses and everything and say the trend has changed. And short term the trend has changed, but does this change the daily trend? Does it change? You know, we don't have any evidence. I need to see the daily trend changing. For me, it will make a difference if we break above the $39 level. That will be key difference. Yeah, above 34.50 it will create some short-term further upside potential, I think, all the way up to 39, and this is the next decision point. If we break above 39, it can take us then to 48. That is the next key level, which is this wave 4 high here. Okay, so in the very short term now, I think the current or the scenario from the previous video still stands, that we say, okay, this could be a 1-2 setup. Then here in the 3, 4, 5, in this third wave, that's where we currently are. And we've done a wave 1, we've done a wave 2, done a 3, we're now in the 4, and there will be a 5. And this wave 4 is now crucial to understand, you know, where are we? Let's draw the fibs, because we have not yet quite reached the $30 level. I think, I haven't watched it again, but I think in the previous video I told you the $30 level would be quite an important support level. That's also the 50% retracement. It shouldn't go any lower than that, right? We're nearly there. If I had to label this really in detail, I would say that we had here a wave A, this was a B, and we're coming down in C. And this C wave, oops. In this C wave, yeah, we've probably done a 1, 2, and then here the 3, the 4, and the 5th wave still coming. So I would be watching the $30 level, 30.24. Yeah, and I think this is the next possibility where we can reverse. So we are in this scenario really towards the end. Alternatively, and that's the alternative count, we could say the wave 4 was already in here, a bit like ADA, the 5 here, this was the 3, this is a 4, yeah, and then a 5. Does it make a difference? Yes, it allows us to come down a little bit lower, as you'll see. In this scenario, we could even come down to 29.63. Possible, absolutely, but then there would be only one more leg up. So I'm leaving it like that for now, just because it gives us a bit more downside potential. But the point is, if we reverse from where we are now, I'll probably go back to the previous count. If we come down below $30 briefly, then I will leave it at this count. So we'll see which one is going to work out. I think this is for me a possible option as well. Those truncated highs in wave 3, you know, in wave 5, this sort of truncated. This is never very, very likely, but it's something that ADA probably did. So we just need to have it on the radar, okay, and just be a bit open. And I'd rather show the upside potential a little bit, you know, a little bit lower upside potential in this 5th wave than in the other count, to be a bit more conservative than trying to overstate it. But yeah, I think there's at least one more leg to the upside here to finish off wave 1. Key resistance breakout point would be here the 32.35 level. Target, I think, you know, we could expect to reach the 34.50 level. I think that's the next key resistance. Before that, we've got the 33.50 level, 33.50 and 34.50, two very important levels. Let's see where we get to. Today is anyway an important day with the PCE data release at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So there will be a lot of volatility. Okay, that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.